Hi everyone, I'm Rudransh Das from India. I'm 7 years old and I love building Legos. Recently, I've built a Lego model of Hubble Space Telescope and Discovery Space Shuttle. While building this set, I wanted to know more about telescopes, their needs, and their applications. I found out that telescopes are devices which help us to see a magnified image of a distant object. Hans Lippershey invented the telescope in 1608 and Galileo Galilei used it in astronomy for the first time. Telescopes are extensively used by astronomers. An astronomer is one who studies the outer space objects like planets, stars, galaxies, comets, etc. Most telescopes use visible light, but stars and galaxies emit other kinds of waves that we cannot see, including radio waves. Astronomers use different kinds of telescopes to study the universe. We have many observatories on mountain top. Two identical telescopes called the Keck 1 and Keck 2 are the largest reflecting telescopes in the world, situated on Mauna Kea, a mountain in Hawaii. From Galileo's telescope to mountaintop observatories, all have a thick blanket of Earth's atmosphere that obscure detailed view of the universe. Hence, the best place for an observatory or an telescope to capture the sharpest image of the universe is in space. NASA decided to put a space telescope, and that is how, after a lot of efforts, Hubble Space Telescope was put in space by Space Shuttle Discovery STS-31 in 1990. Hubble Space Telescope is orbiting 547 kilometers above the Earth and takes approximately 95 minutes to complete one revolution. Hubble Space Telescope is named after Edwin Hubble, who was an astronomer and made important discoveries in astronomy. Edwin Hubble's observation made in 1924 proved that the universe goes beyond the Milky Way galaxy. There is an interesting story about Hubble Space Telescope. When it was first deployed in space, it could not capture images and had to undergo repairs before we started getting these beautiful sharp images that we see now. This was a problem with the configuration of the primary mirror. This problem was repaired in 1993 by astronauts who traveled in Space Shuttle Endeavour. An interesting fact about Space Shuttle Discovery is that the robotic arm used to place Hubble Space Telescope in space was built by a Canadian company, Spar Aerospace, and it is called the Canadarm. Space Shuttle Atlantis in 2009 serviced the Hubble Space Telescope for the last time. Hubble Space Telescope was supposed to work for 20 years but continues to work till now. In December 2021, an advanced telescope called the James Webb Telescope was put in space by Ariane 5 rocket. The James Webb Telescope is named after second administrator of NASA. The first images from James Webb Telescope were available on 12th of July 2022. I was very excited to see how these new images looked like and were more detailed and crisp than the images captured by Hubble Space Telescope. I hope you find this information about Hubble Space Telescope useful. Thank you.